Imagine waking up to the sound of waves lapping at the shore, sipping your morning coffee on a sun-drenched balcony overlooking a tropical paradise. It's a dream many retirees cherish, but the reality of moving abroad can be a daunting task. Beyond the excitement of a new adventure, there is a crucial aspect to consider: the cost. Stick around to the end and we will provide valuable insights on how you can navigate this process, including tips to save money. Moving abroad is like assembling a complex puzzle. Each piece, from packing to shipping, customs clearance to insurance, plays a vital role. Understanding these pieces and their costs will help you plan your move effectively. Packing is often the first step in any move. While it might seem simple, it can be a costly decision. DIY packing is a cost-effective option, but it requires time and effort. Professional packing services can be expensive but offer convenience and expertise. When planning your move abroad, you need to identify the main moving expenses. Key costs to consider include shipping your belongings, insurance for your items during transit, and any customs fees that may apply. These expenses can vary significantly based on your destination, so it's crucial to do your homework. Researching local moving companies is essential for obtaining accurate quotes. Different companies may offer varying rates and services, so comparing options can save you money. Don't forget to ask about any hidden fees that might not be included in the initial estimate. Additionally, consider other costs that can add up quickly, such as packing materials and storage solutions if your new home isn't ready right away. By taking the time to identify and understand these primary expenses, you'll be better equipped to create a realistic budget for your move, ensuring a smoother transition to your new life abroad. Shipping is the most significant cost in most international moves. Factors influencing shipping costs include distance. The further you're moving, the higher the shipping costs. Weight and volume. The more you have, the more it will cost. And the mode of transportation. Air freight is generally faster but more expensive than sea freight. Calculating the cost of shipping your belongings is a vital step in your moving process. To estimate shipping costs, start by assessing the weight and volume of your items. Most shipping companies charge based on these factors, so knowing the total weight and dimensions of your packed boxes will help you get a more accurate estimate. Online moving cost calculators can simplify this process. Moving.com offers a moving cost calculator that provides estimates based on your origin, destination, and the estimated weight of your belongings. International Moving offers a moving cost calculator specifically designed for people moving abroad. Many shipping companies also offer these tools on their websites, allowing you to input your details and receive instant quotes. This can save you time and help you compare different shipping options effectively. As you calculate your shipping costs, remember to factor in potential delays and extra fees that may arise. Customs duties, handling charges, and unexpected delays can all impact your budget. By being thorough in your calculations, you will ensure that you're financially prepared for the shipping aspect of your move, making the transition to your new home much smoother. When planning your move, considering insurance options is essential to protect your belongings during the move. Basic coverage may be included with your shipping service, but it often offers limited protection, while limited liability covers only essential items. Comprehensive coverage covers all your belongings, including valuable items. Ensuring your belongings provides peace of mind, ensuring that you're protected against potential loss or damage during transit. This is particularly important for high-value items like electronics, jewelry, or family heirlooms, which can be costly to replace. You might also explore full value protection, which covers the repair or replacement of damaged items. Additionally, third-party insurance providers can offer tailored policies to suit your specific needs. As you evaluate your options, be sure to read the fine print carefully. Understanding the terms and conditions can help you avoid hidden surprises, such as exclusions or deductibles that could affect your claim. By taking the time to secure the right insurance, you'll safeguard your belongings and enjoy a worry-free moving experience. When moving abroad, it is essential to account for customs and import fees, as these can significantly impact your overall moving costs. Customs duties and taxes can be a significant surprise. Research your destination country's regulations and prepare the necessary documentation to avoid penalties. Customs regulations vary by country, and understanding these differences is crucial for a smooth transition. Each nation has its own rules regarding what can be brought in and the associated fees, which can affect your budget. Common import fees you might encounter include duties on household goods, taxes on specific items, and fees for processing your shipment through customs. For instance, some countries may impose higher tariffs on electronics or luxury items, while others might have exemptions for personal belongings. To avoid unexpected costs, it's wise to check with local authorities or the embassy of your destination country for specific regulations. They can provide valuable information on what to expect and help you navigate the customs process. By being informed, you can better prepare for these fees and ensure a more seamless moving experience. As you prepare for your move, it's vital to include living expenses in your budget for the new location. This means accounting for essential costs such as housing, utilities, and groceries. Understanding these expenses will help you create a realistic financial plan and avoid surprises once you arrive. Researching the cost of living in your destination country is crucial. Different regions can have vastly different price points, so knowing what to expect will help you adjust your budget accordingly. Websites and online forums can provide valuable insights into local prices and living conditions. Additionally, consider reaching out to local expat groups or forums for first-hand information. These resources can offer tips on finding affordable housing, reliable utility providers, and grocery stores with reasonable prices. By gathering this information, you'll be better equipped to manage your finances and enjoy a smoother transition into your new life abroad. Being prepared will allow you to focus on the exciting adventure ahead. Creating a comprehensive moving budget is the final step in your planning process. Start by compiling all your estimated costs into a single document. This should include shipping expenses, insurance, customs fees, living expenses, and any other costs you've identified throughout your moving journey. To keep everything organized, consider using spreadsheets or budgeting apps, such as in-app. These tools can help you categorize your expenses and track your spending, making it easier to stay on top of your budget. Many apps even allow you to set alerts for when you're nearing your budget limits, providing an extra layer of financial control. As you create your budget, it's essential to leave room for unexpected expenses. Moving can be unpredictable, and having a financial cushion will help you navigate any surprises that may arise. By being thorough and prepared, you'll set yourself up for a successful move, allowing you to focus on settling into your new home and enjoying the adventure ahead. Here are some valuable tips for saving money when moving. Declutter and donate. One of the best ways to save money is to declutter before you move. The less you have to ship, the lower your costs will be. Decluttering can also help reduce your carbon footprint. Pack efficiently. Roll clothes, use vacuum bags, and fill empty spaces with smaller items. Only bring what you truly need to avoid unnecessary shipping costs. Self-packing. While it takes time and effort, self-packing can save you money on professional packing services. Invest in quality supplies. Purchase sturdy boxes and packing materials to ensure your belongings arrive safely. Negotiate with moving companies. Get multiple quotes and compare prices from different companies to find the best deal. Be flexible with your moving dates. As well, moving during off-peak seasons can result in lower rates. Research government incentives and financial assistance. If you are moving abroad, some countries offer incentives or grants to attract new residents, including retirees. Check if there are any tax benefits or exemptions available. Consider alternative shipping methods. Sea freight is generally more affordable than air freight, but it takes longer. Container shipping is useful if you have a large amount of belongings. Consider sharing a shipping container with others to reduce costs. Avoid overspending. Set a budget for your initial living expenses to avoid unnecessary debt. Shop at local markets and grocery stores for more affordable options. Learn the local language. Knowing the local language can help you avoid scams, negotiate better deals, and access more affordable services. And lastly, building relationships with the locals or other expats in your new home can provide valuable advice and support. Remember, being financially prepared not only eases the stress of moving but also allows you to enjoy the excitement of starting a new chapter in your life. With careful planning and a solid understanding of the costs involved, you are well prepared to embark on your relocation. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your upcoming move.